Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video on how you can programmatically set the volume on your computer using LabVIEW. So yeah, just a simple VI here. You can input the volume you want from 0 to 100 and it'll set your computer volume to that. So if we look in the code, there's not a lot to it. It's a little confusing though, the structure of this. But yeah, I can walk you through this. So first, we're just pulling a reference to this VI and pulling the front panel title. So that's going to be whatever's displayed up on top while it's running. It's going to pull that name. And that's because this find window function actually requires that name that's up there. In order to work. So this is in user 32 DLL. We're using this find window A function. If you look at the parameters, we need a class name and we need a window name. So we have to have that window name to pass in. So yeah, we're passing that in, and then class is just 0. And this is where things get a little weird. We've got another, and this is all just like Windows, user 32 DLL command calls, which are kind of hard to set up. I mean, you got to just read the documentation and look at the structure of them. It's not as easy as if you have like a .NET DLL where it automatically knows, hey, these are all the methods and functions and the data types that they accept and don't accept and all that. It makes it way easier. These are a little more involved to set up. But yeah, basically it's user 32 DLL, and we're calling the function send message A. And there's a few parameters here. But yeah, if you really want to know the reasons why behind these, you'll have to look at the user 32 documentation to understand. But yeah, basically we're calling this command 100 times. And I forget the reasoning behind the 100 times, but there was a reason to that. And then after the fact, we are adjusting the volume, basically. So we've got a for loop that is then iterating through this send message A again, however many times based off of the volume that we've set. So for example, I'm going to just run this here. So my volume is currently set to 100. So let's go do this, run that, and there you go. So you can see now I am 50. So yeah, just sends a whole bunch of calls to it to basically set it where I want it. So I can go and I can set this to 30, for example, hit run, and yeah, my volume is now 30. So, not crazy code, just, yeah, setting up these DLLs is always a bit of a process and just reading a lot of documentation, which isn't that fun. But this is the exact structure to use. So if you want to change your volume on your computer programmatically, that would be how you do it in LabVIEW. Thanks for watching.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.